Hello everyone, here we've made a ponytail dividing them into 4 parts in total, taking all of the parts and folding them like this and securing it with a rubber band. After that, to the remaining hair, we are just taking them and securing them with any hair clip so that our bun can look so good. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken our hair into a ponytail. We are not taking all of our hair. We are just folding them together into each other and then we are losing it. Basically we are expanding them and then to the rest of the hair we are making a braid and then converting them into a bun. And you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we are taking some hair from both the sides. As you can see, together one by one we are taking and forming this pretty braid, and then just go ahead to all of your hair as you can see, and it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken our hair. We are making a braid by taking all of our hair, taking hair from both the sides little by little, and then you can see your beautiful braid is ready. Now you can decorate it with any hair clip. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken hair from both the sides little by little in parts, and then we are making a braid by taking them and just continue this step till your braid is done, and then you can decorate it with any accessories. Let's move ahead. Here we've made a loosened pony and then we are making a loose braid and converting it into a bun, and now you can decorate it and it's ready. Thanks for watching.